You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long subtraction. The final result is 1930. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Subtract the numbers using long subtraction method. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Because the upper digit, 0, in the tens column is too small to get a positive difference, borrow 1 from the digit, 6, in the next number place which becomes 5, and get 10. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Because the upper digit, 5, in the hundreds column is too small to get a positive difference, borrow 1 from the digit, 2, in the next number place which becomes 1, and get 15. 15 minus 6 equals 9. Write 1 in the thousands place. And so the final result is 1930.